Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Tree YouTube channel. This is Vanga Sushmalata. Please like, share and subscribe. I have designed a logo for our channel. See this? In this video, I want to discuss about rational numbers and their decimal expansion. What are rational numbers? A rational number can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q and p are integers, q not equal to 0. We can convert p by q form into decimal form and also decimal form into p by q form. The decimal form of rational numbers are of two kinds: terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals. For example, 7 by 10 is 0.7. 9 by 2 is 4.5. These are examples of terminating decimals. That is, the decimal digits stop or terminate after a point, because on dividing by the denominator, the remainder is 0. But there are other fractions which on dividing don't terminate. For example, 1 by 9 is 0.111 and it just goes on. So we write it as 0.1 with a line on top to represent that the digit 1 is recurring, which means repeating. So this is the example of non-terminating repeating decimal. Now see these numbers. These are all different decimal expansions of rational numbers. Here we can find terminating decimals and also non-terminating repeating decimals. The decimal digits which are terminate after a point is called terminating decimals. For example, 0.678, 17.6, 0.27, likewise. On dividing by the denominator, the decimal digit go on forever is called non-terminating repeating decimals. For example, 0.355 and so on, 0.9191 and so on. Now we need to fill this table. Worksheet 1.5. Change the following terminating decimals into p by q form, where q not equal to 0, p and q are coprimes. Here in the first row given 0.0875, we can write it in the form of p by q, that is 875 by 10,000. On prime factorization of 875, we get 5 cube into 7. So it can be written as 5 cube into 7 by 10 to the power of 4. In the denominator, we got 10 to the power of 4. We can rewrite it as 2 into 5 whole to the power of 4. That means 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. Since ab whole power m equal to a power m into b power m. So now 5 cube into 7 by 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. By simplifying, we get 7 by 2 power 4 into 5. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 5s 80. So we get 7 by 80. The decimal expansion 0.0875 converted into p by q form, that is 7 by 80. Okay students, now you fill the remaining table. Please make a note. Okay, then see worksheet 1.6. Change the following rational numbers into their decimal form. See the first row given 3 by 4. Here one important thing to remember that the rational number which is in p by q form, if the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, then the decimal expansion of that rational number is terminates. If the prime factorization of q is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then the decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating. So children, remember these 2 points. Now see the first example, 3 by 4. The prime factorization of 4 is 2 into 2, that is 2 square. So 3 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 square. To convert the denominator in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5 square. So that 3 into 5 square by 2 square into 5 square. Now the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So exactly we can say that the decimal form of 3 by 4 is terminating. Now on simplifying we get 5 square is 25, 25 3 is 75, and the denominator is 10 square, that is 75 by 100. So the decimal form is 0.75. Okay children, please make a note and convert the remaining rational numbers into their decimal form. Now worksheet 1.7. Which are terminating and which are non-terminating repeating decimals? Here in the first row, given rational number is 1 by 3. On dividing by the denominator, we get 0.33, but the remainder is not 0, so it will continue. So here the decimal digit 3 goes on forever, so that it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now please make a note and do the remaining. Dear students, hope you understood. Please do practice well with some more examples of your own, so that you can evolve your speed and accuracy. Thank you.